Oh, 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 what is this? No. Poor guy got a flat tire. I know, Paolo. I'm reading your mind. I'm getting your messages right now. This is amazing. This is it. This is Cain. My Google Street View tells me that this is it. My mental Google Street View. Nicer than this, it doesn't exist. Embutidos y queso, what? I'll be right there. Hostal Casatino. Yeah, this is where we're staying. Man. Unexpected, man.
The most beautiful road in Picos de Europa.
Guys, we made it to Cain. The bikes are right there, right in front of the door of the room that Paolo reserved. This place is so beautiful. Let me show you the motorcycle parking. Let me show you the room, and let me show you something special. Here's Super Gorda, Paolo Super Tenere from Portugal. Here's Tatanka. And right there is the room. Paolo! Okay, the bathroom's right here. Let me go ahead and show you since it's first. Huge bathroom. And the accommodations for tonight. Has a nice cabin feel. Looks like they just refurbished it today before we got here. And here's our view. So video transfer party and a couple beers, a cigar, friends, and whatever they have for dinner. I don't think we have too many choices. He's busy, busy making millions of euros.
Cheers to ours. And the view is right.
the first sticker on my bike
That's true.
will be Florida Outdoor Adventures.
Really appreciate it,
Yeah.
man. Really appreciate it. Look at that. Perfect GV, brand new GV luggage. No stickers except for the
No
reflective.
And the moment of truth.
Yeah.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, now you
Subscribe to the channel.
Thank you, Paul.
Alberto is the best, man.
You're the best,
Yeah.
man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What a great weekend.
Yeah.
Now you're never gonna get a ticket, a speeding ticket.
No.
You get
Oh,
better gas
you're
mileage.
from Alberto. Well, okay, let's go.
How did he know? Está bravo conmigo.